Dear students, today we will discuss the chapter Playing with Numbers. First of all, we will discuss the generalized form of a number. A two-digit number AB made up of digits A and B can be written as 10 into A plus 1 into B. For example, 45. 45 can be written as 10 into 4 plus 1 into 5. A three-digit number ABC where A is at 100 position, B is at 10 position and C is at 1's position can be written as 100 into A plus 10 into B plus 1 into C. 234 can be written as 100 into 2 plus 10 into 3 plus 1 into 4. And now let us discuss how to reverse the number. On reversing the digits of the number 10A plus B, we get 10B plus A as the new number. In doing so, only the places of the digits are interchanged. For example, if we reverse the digits of the number 36, we get 63 as a reversed number. And if we reverse the three-digit number 100A plus 10B plus C, the new number formed is 100C plus 10B plus A. For example, 456 becomes 654, means only the 100 and 1's position will be interchanged. You all are familiar with magic squares, an arrangement of distinct numbers in a square grid where the numbers in each row, each column, in the diagonal all add up to the same number. For example, in this magic square, all the numbers in the rows, columns or diagonals add up to 15. So this is a magic square. Now let us discuss coding and decoding. A code is a rule for converting a piece of information, for example a letter, word, phrase or gesture, into another form, or representation one sign into another sign not necessarily of the same type. Encoding is the process by which information from a source is converted into symbols to be communicated. Decoding is the reverse process, converting these code symbols back into information understandable by a receiver. One reason for coding is to enable communication in places where ordinary spoken or written language is difficult or impossible. Let us understand this by taking an example. Apple is coded as 25563. Rung is coded as 7148. Means here P is equal to 5, U is 1, R is 7, L is 6 and E is 3. Means different alphabets have different digits. So code for purple is 517563. Means we can choose a digit for P, a digit for U, R, P, L and E. And our decoding is
This is time consuming for division of large numbers, so there are some certain divisibility tests to check without actual division whether a number is divisible by a certain given number or not. Here are some properties of divisibility. If a number is divisible by each of two co-prime numbers, it must be divisible by their product. If 45 is divisible by 3 and 5, so it would be divisible by 15 also. Second, if a number is factor of each of the two given numbers, it must be a factor of their difference. 8 is factor of 64 and 96, so 8 is factor of 32 also. Today we'll learn about the divisibility rules for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, even for 8. The first is the last digit of the number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. The number would be divisible by 2. If the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3, we can say that the number is divisible by 3. If the number formed by last two digits of the number is divisible by 4, the last digit of the number is either 0 or 5, the number would be divisible by 5. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, we can say that the number is divisible by 6 also. The number formed by last three digits of the given number is divisible by 8. The number is divisible by 8. Now we learn the divisibility test for 9 and 10. For 9, the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9. The number is divisible by 9. You can see the example. And for 10, if the last digit of the number is 0, the complete number would be divisible by 10. Here are some examples to elaborate divisibility test of 9 and 10. Test of divisibility by 11, the difference of the sum of digits at odd places and the sum of digits at even places is either 0 or divisible by 11.